everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another kind of renovation video update, a garden tour. So basically we've been renovating our garden over the past few months and recently we finished it. I would say we're about 90% complete now. We've just got a little bit more painting to do, a few more pots and bits to get, but it's pretty much done now. So I thought I would share it with you before I share with you my house tour on Thursday. So yeah, I'm putting my house tour live on Thursday, so I thought it was only right to show you the garden first because you've all been waiting for that. So if you want to see how our garden is looking, just keep watching. So this is what the garden is looking like after the renovations are done. As you can see, this has been painted now, but it's not fully painted, it's just got the primer on it. But I just wanted to show you the garden because it just looks so much better and you guys have been wanting to see it. So this is what it's all looking like at the moment, and I'll show you over that area in a moment. But I thought I would show you this area which we've just kind of done today, which I'm really happy with. So we've got a little seating area here which is super cute. I actually bought this from IKEA today, this little table and chairs, and I just thought this was just another cute area. I didn't really know what else to put here because we don't have the big table and chairs here anymore, but I still didn't want it to look bare, so this is how it looks now and I'm really happy with it. This tree we've brought out here from upstairs. It's an artificial tree from IKEA. This little plant down here is from HomeSense. This one here, and then this one is from the range. The table and chairs was really cheap actually. It was like, I think the table was around £18 and the chairs were like £16 each, so really affordable. And I like the little cushions as well. They're from IKEA also. So this is our kind of little, I don't know what you want to call this, bistro, breakfast kind of area. Also, for those wondering, the paint on the fence is by Cuprinol and it's in the shade Natural Stone. Over here we've just got the boys' slide and little picnic table. This is by Little Tykes. They actually had this from our old house, so we brought it over. And then over here we've got some plants and things. Let me show you these actually because these are cute. So these here are actually artificial. I ordered them off of Amazon just to add a little bit of colour to the garden because we've got a lot of greenery but we didn't have many colours. Over here we've got Vinny's goalpost, footballs and all of that. It's unavoidable when you've got boys, so it had to be in here, but it's not too bad actually. It fits nicely in that little space and they're happy with it. So the tiles that we have are from Tile Mountain and these are the Nexus clay tiles, and a few people said are they slippery when it's wet, but they're not actually. They are made to be outside, so they're absolutely fine out here and I think they look gorgeous, don't you? The grass is by Carpetrite and we had it professionally fitted just because we thought it'd be easier to, but it's just so nice. This grass is just beautiful, and do you know what, we've been out here so much more because of the grass. Even when it's rained a little bit, the boys can still play out here and there's no mud, no mess, so I'm really happy with it. The grass that we got is called the Burford from Carpetrite, so yeah, absolutely love the grass. Now let me take you over to this area which you've all probably been waiting to see. There's been a few little peeks on my Instagram, but yeah, this is our little kind of dining area now, I guess, like our outside entertainment area, and I'm so happy with it. What do you think? I've added a few pink touches because you know what I'm like. I got some new cushions from HomeSense. I bought that rug from IKEA, I think it was like £10. Another little plant here, this is from HomeSense. We've got some plants down here and a little candle down there. This plant is from Homebase and so is the pot. And then this plant here is also from HomeSense, it's just a fake one. And this is also from HomeSense, the candle in there is from Dunelm. We've also popped some flowers along the back there, those are just fake flowers again from IKEA. And then this cushion here is from HomeSense, you would have seen it in a HomeSense haul recently. So is this blanket, it's so soft this blanket, oh my god guys, it's so nice. So it's like a baby pink blanket. And yeah, that is this kind of area. We've got some lighting over here, some little like lanterns from Lights for Fun, which look really cute, even nicer in the evening. And we've also put some lights up here, which you probably can't really see right now, but I'll come back out here later on when it's a bit darker so you can see. But yeah, that is our kind of little entertaining area and I'm so delighted with it. What do you think? Like on the camera it doesn't really give it justice, like it looks so much better in person, but like it does look really pretty. I'm so happy with it. We've been sitting out here so much more now. We've moved it over here compared to when it was over in this area because as you can see like the sun is still over there and it's literally just going down, but this is a south facing garden, so it's just so sunny over here. And yeah, that is the garden really. Usually the boys have their bikes here, so I haven't really put anything there for now, but I do still need to get a couple of finishing touches, just some little bits to go around here, some pots and things, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys. Doesn't it look so big, guys? Honestly, we've been out here every day since it's been done. The boys love it so much. So it's getting a bit darker now, so I thought I would show you what the lights look like. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this renovation and seeing the garden tour. Let me know what your favourite part of the garden is, and also if you're looking forward to Thursday's video, because that is going to be our home tour. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday in the morning in the UK, so 7 AM in the morning, and I would love for you to stick around. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you soon.